How to use Gjensidige car insurance Norway properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Gjensidige car insurance is a leading provider in Norway, but many drivers make mistakes that can cost them money or leave them underinsured. The surprising truth is that simply having a policy doesn't guarantee full protection. You need to understand how to use it properly. A common mistake is relying solely on liability coverage. While it meets legal requirements, it won't cover damage to your own car. Comprehensive coverage is essential for protecting your vehicle and finances, especially if you own a new or high-value car. Another frequent error is mismanaging deductibles. A low deductible reduces out-of-pocket costs but increases premiums, while a high deductible lowers premiums but may leave you paying more after a claim. Choosing the right balance is key. Failing to update your policy is also a trap. Life changes such as moving, adding a new driver, or purchasing a new vehicle can affect coverage. Not keeping Gjensidige informed could result in denied claims or gaps in protection. Many drivers overlook discounts. Gjensidige offers savings for safe driving, accident-free records, and bundle policies. Missing these can cost hundreds of euros annually. Finally, misunderstanding the claims process can slow down payments. Document damages, report incidents promptly, and communicate clearly with your claims representative to ensure smooth handling. By avoiding these mistakes, you can maximize Gjensidige car insurance Norway. Make sure your coverage is appropriate, select the right deductible, update your policy regularly, use discounts, and understand the claims process. This keeps your insurance effective and provides peace of mind on every drive.